Hello everyone, welcome to my channel One Stop Placement. In this video, I am going to discuss about introduction to Python. Whenever you want to learn particular language, you need to know something about the particular language. That is, what is the purpose of learning this language and what are the features of the language and what are the companies working by using Python. We need to know all these things. So without doing late, let us enter into the introduction of Python. Python was invented by Guido van Rossum in 1980s and it came into existence on 1989. And it is a high level language. Whenever you want to create a program, it does not check any system hardware specifications. And Python is very easy to learn. Without knowing any programming language earlier, you can learn the Python very easily. And Python is an open source language. Whenever you want to create any module that is not present in the Python, you can include because license is given to all and it is public. The companies that are working by using Python language are Google, Flipkart, YouTube, Amazon and many other. The syntax of Python is very easy. For example, if you want to print hello world, you can print by writing one line of code. But whereas in other languages like C or C++ or Java, you need to include preprocessor directives. And the syntax is very complicated in Java or C++. Let us enter into the technical popularities of Python. Python is an object-oriented programming language. It works on classes and objects, and Python can be used as scripting language for web development by using Django framework and others. And nowadays, total world is working with machine learning and artificial intelligence. And Python is the basic language for both machine learning and AI. It contains all the modules required for machine learning and artificial intelligence. Python is a dynamic programming. We can run a program directly without compiling. But in other languages, you need to compile before running a program. Python is a cross-platform. For example, if you code a program in online Python compiler, if you save it and share it to your friends, he can run the program directly without typing again. And Python is an interpreted language. We can run the program directly by using interpreter. The ideals of Python are Jupyter, PyCharm, Spider, Atom, etc. And the versions of Python are Python 2 and Python 3. In Python 3, we have Python 3.6, 3.7, 3.8 and 3.9. The latest version is Python 3.9. In this tutorial, we will learn Python 3 by using PyCharm idle. Thank you.